Welcome. In front of me I have Apple TV 4K and I'll show you how you can set up parental controls. So you have to go for the settings. Next you have to find the general settings. You have to scroll down and go for the restrictions. Then simply activate. And right now we have to set up our passcode. For example, let's go for very common one. Okay, that was the misclick. Let's go another time. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to re-enter the same one. Click OK. As you can see, the passcode was created. Let's click OK, and as you can see, when we are here, we can adjust a lot of things. We can go for the iTunes store, so we can block purchase. We can restrict that. Here you got also the allow content. And there we got the ratings for United Kingdom. For sure we can change it. There we got also the music and the podcasts, videos, profiles, movies. I think that we can go and set it up. We can restrict the 18. The same for the TV shows. We can go for the cache-in. Let's restrict 17 plus. Here we can also change the explicit language of Siri, so we can hide it. There we got also the game center. Below we got all of changes, so we can restrict everything here. And basically that's all. So here we can find almost everything, and you can easily adjust it and set the parental controls as you want. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.